put in this position. Then slowly turn the left thigh in, mount swoop, hip down. Okay, push the body, stretching back together. Active the toes in, move the shoulder little back, focus on your breath. Now with the breath, inhale with the answer. Make your chest open, look at it up, arch your back, right up. Still, maintain, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, drop the elbows on the floor, move the body. Try to again roll the left thigh literally in. Turn it down, stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Inhale, come back. Lift the palms, lift the body. Inhale. Exhale, move the leg side. Side again, mountain pose, Hanumanasana, feet together, right and thumb. So then, push the body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same with the opposite side. Left foot forward between both palms and tie. Going to better feet. Now, hamstring, hip bar, hamstring, here, bring back together. The same thing we will try to keep the both sides of the hips in line. Active the body, stomach in. With the exhale, slide the body up. Okay, now second way, again you can see the hips in is not in a line. For that time, what do we do? Move again, keep up. Move. So we can use the block, towel or blanket, whatever you have it. Push it down, move from here. Turn the thighs here. Right side, squat. Stay, maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Inhale. Lift the arms. Lift the body up. Exhale. Moving your neck on back side. Feet go back. Push the body. Draw the knee down. Inhale.